Hello, today we are going to start with a new topic of sociology. Law is a tool of social engineering. This theory was given by Raskopon. Raskopon was one of the greatest leaders of sociological school of jurisprudence. He was known as the father of American jurisprudence. American jurisprudence author focused on practical aspect. And Raskopon was an American, so he started his theory with the functional aspect of law. That what is the function of law in society, what is the objective of law. And the function and the objective of law is to satisfy maximum human want with minimum friction. He said that decided what is the function of law and what is the objective of it, and study for it, study for the social effect, legal history, social institution, and keep an holistic approach. Man is a social animal and needs society for his living, working, and enjoying life. Raskopon started his theory with the functional aspect of law. As I told you, that he started his theory that what is the function of law in society, what is the objective, and he said that decided, and for that study for the legal history, law in action, how law is affecting the people, legal institution, and keep an holistic approach. Objective of law is to satisfy maximum human want for minimum friction. Human wants are unlimited and they want to progress. We all know that human wants are unlimited and they want to progress. So the law should be made like this, that it should avoid the conflict and maximum human wants can be satisfied. One thing to be noted here, that he do not provide any moral scale to measure the human want. Whether your want is legal or illegal, if you want to earn money with fair means or unfair means, but then also the law should be by and large it should be supportive to you and satisfy the want. So he mean to say that law should be like that less conflict to be there and minimum satisfaction of want to be there. How the law is going to achieve, how is law is going to satisfy maximum human want? By social engineering. Here Raskopon has given a new word, social engineering. Social engineering, he mean by saying this, making of law that engineer society and engineering to perfection using laws. This concept of social engineering was given by Raskopon. He said that for making law, society practical study is important and there should be a factual study of society to make law. For this he has given two theories, theory of social engineering and interest theory. And he compared the engineers, he compared the society with the machinery and the lawyers and advocate with the engineers. He said that as engineers have the knowledge about the machine thoroughly and its functioning, so if some problem is there with the machinery, then they can repair it and they make it function again. In the same way, the lawyers, the jurists, the advocates, they are the engineers of the society and they should be having a sound knowledge of the society, so that if any problem occur, then they should having sound knowledge and they can easily rectify that problem and resolve it. As the engineers and the scientists, after doing discoveries, they do not stop there only. They use their experience in new discoveries. In the same way, we should take law as a body of knowledge and our experience to be used for social engineering. He meant to say that law should be used to remove the conflict of interest in society. In society, competing interests are there, and these interests can be seen from various perspectives. Public interest will be different from social interest, and social interest will be different from individual interest. Study of society is important for lawmaking. Effect of society on lawmaking, factual study of society is necessary. And for this, Pond has given the two theories, one of social engineering and other of theory of interest. Roscoe-Pond introduced the doctrine of social engineering, which aimed at building an efficient structure of society, which would result in satisfaction of maximum of want with minimum of friction and waste. He compared lawyers with the engineers, as the engineers are having a thorough knowledge of the machinery, and if the problem arises, engineers can repair it and make it functioning properly again. In the same way, the lawyers, the jurists, the advocates, they are the social engineers of the society, and easily they can rectify the problem of the society and resolve it and make the functioning smooth. Engineers are required to use their engineering skills to manufacture new products. Similarly, social engineers are required to build that type of a structure in society which provide maximum happiness and minimum friction. According to Pond, law is social engineering, which means a balance between competing interests in society in which applied science is used for resolving individual and social problems. Social engineering is the balancing of the conflicting interests of individual and the state with the help of law. So social engineering says that law should be like that, that it should be balancing between the wants, between the interest of the people and maximum happiness. It should provide maximum happiness to the people. Law is a body of knowledge. With the help of law, large part of social engineering can be carried on. He mentioned that everybody has its own individual interest and considered it supreme over all other interests. The objective is law is to create a balance between the interest and of the people. Society has become essential condition for human life to develop his personality. From childhood to till the old age, every human being expects that his or her desire to be fulfilled, for which there arise conflict of desire or claim which comes under the term interest. It is impossible to fulfill all the desire of human being. So, to fulfill the desire of maximum human being for the welfare of society, the concept of social engineering was emerged, and which was coined by Roscoe-Pond. The force which has to adopt for the adoption of social engineering is nothing but the conflict of interest of individuals' interest. More particularly, the conflicting interests are the subject of social engineering. Social engineering is based on the notion that law are used as a means to shape society and regulate people behavior. It is an attempt to control the human conduct through the help of law. According to Pond, three main elements should be kept in focus when making law. Making of law first, application of law, interpretation of law. Roscoe-Pond in his interest theory mentioned three types of interest, and to avoid the overlapping of the interest, he put the boundaries and divide the kind of interest. The first one is public interest. Public interest largely from the perspective of the state, preservation of a state. If no state will be there, if no state preservation will be there, then the public-private laws cannot be protected. State protect the social interest also. Police, judiciary, they should function properly, and the other administrative body should function for the smooth functioning of the society and to provide the maximum satisfaction to the wants of the people. Peace and security. Preserved marriage and religious institution. Moral decrepitude. It means that the lower the image or down the image. So the duty of the law is to stop all these things like corruption, gambling, because if the people, if the corruption will be there, then the society cannot progress and people cannot progress. As well as it is the duty of the law to stop the drug abuse and to take care of the health of the people, so that if the people will be healthy, then only the society will progress. Trade and commerce, because without the economic growth, the society cannot progress. Then if we talk about the public, then we talk about the public interest are largely from the perspective of the state, means government, state sovereignty, preservation of the states. These come under this category. Private interest, physical protection. Everybody want a physical protection. Nobody want to get harmed by anyone. Freedom of life and liberty. So law should recognize it and provide the person safety and security, so that he can lead a happy life. Institution of marriage is also protected by law, like divorce law, maintenance law, domestic violence law, inheritance law, succession law, etc. Lastly, the property right. Whatever he had earned or purchased, he is having the right to enjoy. Social interest, preservation of peace and security. It is the duty again of the law to look after the social interest, preservation of religious and social institution, counteracting the decrepitude, corruption and gambling, as I discussed you, education, progress, trade, freedom of speech, for the growth of the society, for the growth of the people and the welfare of the people. After that, the jural postulates are there. Ruskin discuss about the jural postulates. Every society has certain basic assumption upon which the ordering rests, and these are called the jural postulates. Like the protection against the intentional aggression of other. Law, it means that law should be like this, that knowingly a person is not going to harm the other, or with intention it's not going to harm other. For example, one person can harm the other person on the monetary base, physical, etc. Second, own what is earned or discovered. It hints towards the property law. It means that the legal recognition of a private ownership is there. If I purchased any property or any product from the market, then my ownership will be there on that product. Suppose if I am having a property and not able to look after for a certain period of time, then also my ownership will be legally on that property will be there. Promise will be kept, damage restored. It hints towards the law of contract and law of tort. Promise will be kept. It means for the smooth functioning of the society, words have value. If I promise you that I am doing a written contract with you, then you should be assured that after this contract you will get those things, whatever I have written in the contract, whatever I have promised you. So this is giving the hint towards the law of contract. Damages restored. It means that if you have caused damage by mistake to someone in the society, example by rash driving, or if you are having or I am having a biogas plant and some gas leakage is there and people health is affected, so it hints towards a law of tort. Very beautifully, Ruskin discuss about the jural postulates. Now, moving towards the criticism. Engineering is the mechanical application of society. Critics have criticized on this, that compare of a society with a machinery is not correct. Second, no ideal scale of value is given. According to Ruskin, the maximum human want to be satisfied, but he has not given any moral scale to measure the want. Like if somebody want to open a liquor shop or casino, that should be considered and law should support. And he also considered all the value relatively. Third, dynamic feature of society and influence on law ignored. It means that if you can engineer the society by making laws, then society can also affect the laws. Thank you.